Hello YouTube, Airplane 75 here. Today is Monday, January 31st, last day in January. It is just after 6 o'clock. And all these warnings have just started to come out in blizzard effect in our area. As I'm zooming in right here, you can see there's Chicago, and this is just the current surface analysis right here. But apparently we're supposed to get this huge blizzard, 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and all sorts of good things. So I'm going to go out there and chase it because Skywarn storm spotters have been activated on this. And as we go through here, I can 36-hour forecast. You can see how much snow is actually coming. Seeing that that's Chicago, and then all this is still coming this way, so it's going to be a big one with, what is that, 1008 millibars of barometric pressure. And what I think is amazing, that this cell, let me zoom out just a little bit, it spans the entire United States. Down here there's tornado warnings, and up here there's blizzard warnings. So it's supposed to drop down to, like, with the wind chill, negative 15 degrees and 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So this thing's going to be a big one. Today I got the S.I.V up and running, so tomorrow should be good. I'm just looking through here, seeing if there's anything else you should see. No. So yeah, this is Blizzard. The friend will be out there chasing it, so stay with us. What's going on? Airplane 75 here once again, and today is Tuesday, February 1st. It is 2 minutes after 4:30, and it's blizzarding outside. I can't wait to show you this video. In here in the garage, I just want to quickly show you, there's the S.I.V. The lights aren't on top yet, they're inside the car. We got all the Skywarns on there. I don't know why I won't focus, that's weird. But I'm about to open up the garage. See, right now in here you can't tell. But wait till I open up the garage and you will see how much snow there is out there. I just did my driveway. Sorry, I had to put the snowblower away. About 2 minutes ago. And look how much it's already picking up. See, the problem here is these winds, these snow banks are building up so fast. You can see one over there. If you get the right angle, you get huge snow banks. If you look over there on that house, and on all these roofs, it's been snowing for probably about an hour. We're getting 3 inches an hour here. You can see all the snow really blowing around. Alright, this is out my back window. This is at just after 7:30 in the morning. I'll just show you how much snow built up after a couple hours. This is February 2nd in the morning. There's my shed out back, and look at the snow drift around it. And the chair is completely covered in snow. You can't see where it starts or ends. Go around over here. Can't even see out these windows. Look at the snowbank on that house. It's intense. Wow. Didn't even notice. Look at that. much snow. Just walking around in the back. I just did this one row. It took a half an hour to get through this. Look at this. You can't even see the window. Everybody's out snow blowing. This is insane. Look at that, the snow's almost up to the window. You can't even see the bottom of the chair. This was one big snowstorm. Look at how much this is right there. Feet of snow. Wow, look at, I never noticed that on their front door. You can see if I zoom in how much that is, and it's still coming down. I'll check back in a little while because it's supposed to come down for a while. And of course, there's the S.I.V. Storm Intercept vehicle. We're gonna go out in a little while. Airplane 7.5 here once again, and this will probably be the last clip of the Chicago snow blizzard. I shouldn't be out of this window, but you could just see how much clearing we've had to do. It's just after noon. So we've been doing this for a couple of hours, just clearing and helping everybody out. So